Welcome to our 2023 Wellness Strategy by Ahi Empire. Kung sino man ang nag-invite sa inyo ngayon, dapat i-text nyo, pasalamatan. Dahil ito po ang pinaka-the best na campaign natin para matulungan at ibigay ko sa inyo kung gaano kalawak itong campaign natin. Sino ba ang matulungan nito? Okay po ba? So ngayon, this is Doc Dorwin Lahot. And I've been helping people get better health for more than 16 years. And isa po ako member sa American Society for Nutrition. Na-elect po ako as at-large delegate sa leadership team for vitamin interest minerals research. Now, ang purpose dyan is to know kung ano po kahalaga ang vitamins, no? Dahil merong problem and ngayon pag-aralan natin 'yon kasi may problema sa ating health na kung ikaw ay merong karamdaman, meron kang problema sa health mo at dami na pong na-take mo pero meron kang na-miss. Kaya ano ba ang na-miss mo? Right? So ito po ang ating campaign. Number one na campaign natin is ang ating older populations. Oh, 'di ba? Tumatanda at tatanda tayo. At meron na tayo nakikitang mga matatanda at nakikita natin meron silang problem. Okay? Pangalawa, manage obesity. Oh, and then address vitamin deficiency. Bakit 'yan? Bakit kailangan talaga nating i-address and ngayon ipaliwanag ko 'yan sa inyo. Now, ito po yung 7 basic essential nutrients. Ibig sabihin yung kailangan mo talaga araw-arawin, kailangan mo talagang i-take or kailangan kang kumain, kailangan kang uminom ng tubig. Pero ang kapag tataka lang is bakit yung vitamins and minerals wala, 'di ba? Bakit walang vitamins and mineral? Kung minsan isang vitamins lang, no? Now, merong pag-aaral or survey sa National Nutrition na dumadami po ang consumption ng fat, sugar, and carbohydrates. Yung pag-aaral na yan, nakikita nila since 1998 and 2018, nag-increase po ang consumption na yan. So meaning, yung carbohydrates lang at saka fats na nutrients. How about the protein? How about the fiber? Water. Nakikita natin, kumakain naman yung tao ng, like for example, manok, itlog. Pero marami pa rin yung consumption sa carbohydrates and fats. Then water, umiinom tayo. Kung minsan, meron din tao na kunti lang yung inom. Meron ako na meet na hindi talaga umiinom ng tubig. Kung may gamot, yun pa. Doon pa sila iinom ng tubig. Pero dito, nahirapan sa vitamins and minerals. Ano yung mga reason, ano yung mga batayan nila, bakit hindi sila uminom ng vitamins? Kailangan ba talaga ang vitamins? Diyan ang challenging. And then, there's a reason why na missing po yan. So, ah missing yan, pero meron ding isang problem na mild causes lang ng deficiency itong medication. Na may tinitake tayo ng medication and minsan may walang consultation at umiinom pero meron yan according sa MSD manual na it can also trigger deficiency. Second, infections. Sino ba dito ang na experience yung infection? And then lifestyle. Uminom ka ba ng mga alak, sigarilyo? Meron din yun. No, hindi lang natin nalalaman, pero according sa mga pag-aaral, meron din. And ito ang nakapagtataka dahil ang diet including sa cause ng deficiency or like for example, may mga diet talaga na meron deficient vitamins na hindi mo na-take. And also the water. Kaya ang tubig na nagko-cause na rin ng deficiency. Okay, isa rin 'yon sa dahilan dahil uminom ka ng tubig but makikita natin meron ng filtered water, 'di ba? So ang filtration okay 'yon dahil sa high TDS or mataas yung total dissolved solid, na but the problem mataas or mababa meron siyang concern. Nakita sa pag-aral na merong reduction of mineral sa ating katawan pag yung water na inom natin is empty. So, nangyayari talaga yung deficiency, right? And bata, mga young women, adults, kahit na vegetarian, vegan, sabi sa pag-aaral na seem to be at the highest risk of several deficiency. So paano natin yan i-prevent? Na klaro, no? Klaro yung magnesium deficiency, vitamin deficiency, calcium, vitamin D, B12, iodine, and iron. Now ngayon, ano yung feeling mo? Sino ngayon ang may problema diyan or wala, hindi mo nakikita yung problem. But merong tao talaga na target sila na magkakaroon ng deficiency. Okay? Bata, matanda, vegetarian ka or nagda-diet ka, right? So, merong deficiency na nangyayari at ano ang sinasabi ng World Health Organization. Sabi ng World Health Organization is deficiency in any of them can cause severe and even life-threatening condition. So kung merong deficiency, meron bang epekto yan sa ating katawan? Kasi number one, based on education, experience, hindi pa tayo nakapag-try ng vitamins. Sometimes isa lang dahil yun lang sinabi sa atin. Pero how about the other vitamins na like for example, isa lang na vitamins. Yung vitamin D lang ang wala sa atin. Diba? Anong mangyayari? Totoo ba na life-threatening pag wala kang any of them? No, sinabi dito sa pag-aaral sa National Institute, no, sa government website, vitamin D deficiency accelerates aging and age-related diseases. So accelerate, para kang sasakyan na pinabilis. No, tatanda tayo, pero pabilisan niya. Kahit 20 years old, nako, most people are already experiencing that aging problem. Ano yung aging? That's a condition. Magsasuffer sila ng metabolic disorder, inflammation, and ang dami pong mga sakit. Like for example, na publish sa Abbott.com, no? Base diyan na chronic heart failure is often linked to vitamin D deficiency and very low level or what associated with more negative health outcome like greater risk of death with those with heart failure. So, ano ba ang ginawa ng government diyan? Na very dangerous yan pala, life-threatening pala yan. Kaya isa yan sa mga batas na ginawa during sa batas ni ERAP, no? Republic Act 8976 about food fortification. Now, the program of that is to address nutritional deficiency problem in the Philippines. Dahil, no, mandate yan kasi yung mga pagkain like rice, meron ng refined, yung flour, merong refined, cooking oil, merong refined, sugar, merong refined. So, nawawala po yung essential nutrients, iron, vitamin E, iodine, etc. Okay? So, it allows voluntary fortification of processed food. So ngayon, nakikita mo, naka-experience ka ba na kumain ng pagkain na refined? Mostly from kids, no, hanggang adult. Yun sila, tatanda pa yan sila. Kung hindi yan ma-break na record na yan, break na lifestyle and habit, then what will happen? Nakikita na din, we can be producing a person na sickly at during adult period or older period, no, they are the ones who have chronic diseases, no, heart disease, diabetes, sometimes na stroke sila and experiencing so many problems. Kahit sa pagtulog, meron silang problem. That is why we are inviting you to support older population, weight management, and address nutritional deficiency. Inimbita kita ngayon. Kung nakita mo malaki ang problem, let's go. Kung hindi mo nakita, ano ba ang dangerous? Yung deficiency na in any of them can lead to severe or life-threatening or nagtitake ka, saan ba ang mas delikado dyan? So that's why we're inviting you through iFern Entrepreneurship. Bakit iFern? Dahil ito po ang makatutulong. Merong na-categorize ko na 4 sustainable steps to support older population and manage obesity and to beat deficiency conveniently, quickly, easily with iFern support. Now ngayon, who's in? Sama ka sa amin. Dahil itong iFern support, merong 7 unique advantages. World class ito. Hindi lang ito nag-claim, but world branding award ito, hindi tsamba kasi 4 to 5 times na po na ginawang world branding ang ating product. Okay, and listed in MIMS and PPD, yung medical information, lahat ng mga doktor, libro nila yan, and sa mga pharmaceutical, ito din, quality and safety. That's why it's effective. and then most recommended by Society of Medical Doctors. Not just one, but naririnig ko is that ito ang advice and recommended ng society nila. That's why they're recommending this vitamins. Okay? And then, it's affordable for all. And then, ito, para sa akin, ito pinaka the best strategy to beat deficiency. Kasi kung vitamin D, nag-iisa siya. Okay? So, kung kulang tayo ng deficiency ng vitamin D or deficiency ng ating vitamin D, we can increase that. Kung kulang tayo sa calcium dahil hindi tayo maka-intake ng calcium, natatakot tayo maging bato, okay? Meron tayong calcium complex na galing sa gatas, tinanggal yung milk, no, yung lactose. So, solid talaga siya. Puro siya to address deficiency. Kaya kaibigan, if you want to know more about this, and thank the person who shared you this video, this link, now go back to them and tell them na you want to know more or you want to join and you want to have go in. Okay? Let's go po. Gagawin po natin ito. Tulungan yung ating older populations that have pain and suffering, no, from sleep disorder, hypertension, diabetes, and sa mga weight problem, no, na hindi pa nila nalulutas, lutasin po natin. Sa nutritional deficiency, ito na po. No? So, this is Dr. Win Lahot, Nutritional Medicine. At tayo po ay magsasama-sama, hindi ka mag-iisa pag ito ang gagamitin mo. Marami kang matulungan. Maraming salamat po. May the Almighty bless you today.